You ever feel like you're drowning in data? I mean, you got all this information in Acumatica, but getting it out in a way that actually makes sense, that's the tricky part, especially for custom reports.
Oh, absolutely. We hear that all the time from small business owners and even some consultants. It's like having all the pieces of a puzzle, but no picture to guide you.
Exactly. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a real-world problem and a really clever solution from one of our favorite Acumatica consultants, Deba.
Deba is an associate functional consultant with like over 3 years of experience at Tiana Solutions.
She's helped businesses of all shapes and sizes implement Acumatica, so she's seen pretty much everything.
Yeah,
In this case we're looking at today, it's a perfect example of how a seemingly simple reporting need can actually turn into a major headache.
really is. This particular client needed a report that would not only show the total amount numerically, but also spell it out in words. You know, the way you see it on formal invoices.
Right, like $12,345, that kind of thing.
Exactly. So you would think that would be a standard feature in Acumatica, wouldn't you?
I mean, it seems pretty basic, right?
You'd think so. But when the client tried to just tweak the existing formula in Acumatica's report designer, they hit a wall. The system's great for your basic calculations, but it doesn't have a built-in way to just convert those numbers to words.
So it's not as easy as just dragging and dropping fields then.
Nope, not this time. And that's where Deba's expertise really came in handy. She had to like really dive into the system and create a new formula from scratch. And this formula had to do more than just spell out the amount. She also had to make sure it included the currency name, the symbol, and even presented the numerical amount in parentheses for, clarity.
So I'm looking at a screenshot of the report now, and honestly, it looks amazing. So clean and professional. It says total, followed by the amount in words like $12,345, and then in parentheses, you have the numerical value, $12,345.
Exactly. And this solution goes beyond just looking nice. It's actually really smart because it helps to minimize errors during manual data entry. And, it speeds up invoice verification and even makes the report more accessible for people with visual impairments. So it's got a lot going for it.
Yeah, it's a really elegant solution. Now, this is obviously a pretty specific case, but how common are these kinds of report customization challenges? And what advice would you give other consultants who are running into these roadblocks?
Honestly, they happen more often than you might think. The key is recognizing when you need someone with specialized expertise, like Deba, to create a solution. Not everyone has the time or resources to become an expert in Acumatica's scripting language, and that's where companies like Tiana Solutions really shine. They can tailor Acumatica to each client's individual needs.
Right. So for any of our listeners out there who are struggling to get those customized reports they need, don't give up. You don't have to figure it out all on your own. Reach out to Tiana Solutions. Their number is 678-910-2774. They can help you unlock Acumatica's full potential and make sure your business processes are running as smoothly as possible.
And you'll get the data you need, presented in a way that actually works for you.
Now, here's something to think about. What other creative ways could Acumatica reports be customized? Could they be used to track project profitability, forecast inventory needs, even analyze customer behavior? I mean, the possibilities are endless. And the right data, presented in the right way, can really transform your business.
No doubt about it.
So until next time, keep on diving deep into your data.
Keep those reports coming.